Yeah, here's Nikita exploring again. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's birds out there going, ee, ee. I don't know what kind of bird that is. But the reason why she's moving a lot more this time is because there's so many sounds. I don't know if you can hear that from this distance, but there's a lot of bird noises today. And then a car just went by. She's so cute. Look how she sticks her head out. Let me see if I can go closer without causing her to run so you can hear the noises. Hold on. Yeah, she has really sensitive hearing. Every little noise I make, and I'm not even really making noise. See? That's incredible. Yeah, see, with a cat like her, you have to be really quiet, or she'll run off. Doesn't matter if I'm her owner. She trusts me more, obviously, but she's just one of those cats that has that kind of personality. She's still too distracted by the birds. That's why I could get this close. Let's see. Oh, there's a glare right there, sorry. Okay, this is the closest I can get, because I think any closer she'll run off. So, hopefully you can hear that. Well, they're birds. They're really noisy today. Oh god, it sounds like they're having an argument. That's funny. That's so funny when birds sound like they're angry and they're fighting with each other just like people. Because that's what's going on right now. They're being really noisy today. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's what's going on. That's why Nikita keeps looking over there in that direction. See? Yeah, and see, it's windy. That's why she's smelling, putting her nose in the air like that. They're being loud again, the birds. That's why I'm laughing. It's so funny. Okay, well, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you for this video, so bye.